guys, welcome to today's vlog. And today, as it is Sunday, we have planned to go for Balmuri Falls, and it is like 20 to 30 minutes road from our university. Now we have a big group with us today, so we are going to go, and I'll keep you all updating everything. So stay tuned. So guys, today also we are going to go by bus. So we are going to a nearby bus stop. From there we are going to get the bus for Balmuri Falls. So right now we are walking and we are just going near the bus stop and we are just waiting for our bus to come. So guys, finally our bus has arrived now, and yeah, we are going to go. So now we are sitting in the bus. We are already adjusting and sitting over here. This bus is too full. I know guys, this is a pandemic situation. We have to not travel in so much rush and everything, but like we can't resist staying in Mysore and not going out. We can't resist ourselves from that. So we are just going. So guys, this is the entrance which you can see at the back. So we are just waiting at the entrance. So inside we have to walk and go. It is approximately 2 kilometers. So we are going to go that. Before that we are taking some selfies and Balmuri Falls, Balmuri Falls. It is a village area, and this is a beautiful village. It has fields on both the sides. Now we have reached half the way. Like I think we have completed almost 1 kilometer or something, and still we are moving further. And the place is really beautiful, guys. We have finally reached now. This is the temple. It is under construction. I can see some construction is going on over here. And on the other side of that, there is a dam. Actually, it's not falls, guys. It is like my friends told me that it is Balmuri Falls, but it's a dam-like thing. It's man-made thing, not a natural falls or something, but it's pretty much nice. People here they come, like in Belgaum there is a place called as Kitwad, so it is comparatively same, as I can say. Here you can see, guys, the eagles are hunting for fishes and they are coming so much closer to the water, and even when we are standing there, they are coming too much closer to us. So we already played in the water, and this place is really very rushy right now. You can see the rush, guys. Our friends are still in water, like. Now we are going for having lunch, and here we get fish as well, and let me show you. Finally, we are going back now. Like, we had our lunch. Lunch was amazing, and now we are just going back. Again, we have to go by walk, and then we have to take a bus from there, and then we will go to our hostel. Again, from there we have to walk some distance. So